Duikvaker is the ultimate place where divers and snorkelers will meet dive industry suppliers, even when attending a physical event isn't possible. This is why we are organizing the Duikvaker VirtualXpo on 6 and 7 February 2021. This online setting will put you in live contact with many dive enthusiasts in a virtual exhibition hall. After they enter the theater, visitors are welcomed and given an explanation about the structure of the online exhibition. As an exhibitor, you will have your own stand on the show floor, which is divided up into 3 halls: diving, travel and tourism, and underwater world. Your stand will be customized to your own branding using logos, banners, videos, and your company name on the fascia. Visitors can gather information at your stand in several different ways. The most important is through live contact with you as an exhibitor via Zoom or Microsoft Teams. Other options include contact via WhatsApp or the contact form by watching your video or downloading your brochure. In addition to your own stand, you can also give 1 or more presentations on your products. These will be visible under the Events heading. You can upload and manage all the information you want to share online via your own dashboard. This is also the page you can use to provide information on your stand staff and schedule the time for your presentation. As you can see, Duikvaker VirtualXpo is a unique and ideal way to get in touch with divers worldwide, an event you can't afford to miss. Contact us to activate your online stand.